Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Seedustry handheld vacuum, the VC08 Pro. This is a 6-in-1 cordless vacuum with 18,000 Pascal suction and a Type-C fast charging. This was sent to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts based on a real-world testing and experience. Let's dive into the box and see what we get. First inside the box is your user's manual. Here's the main vacuum unit. Compact, lightweight at just 1.1 pounds. And the design looks modern. It features a brushless motor inside and a smart display on top beside the power button. You can charge it using a Type-C cable provided, and you can fully charge under 2.5 hours. This vacuum comes with 12 different types of nozzles. First is the dusting brush. It is great for dashboards, keyboards, and delicate surfaces. Next is your crevice tool, perfect for tight spots between seats and under furniture. Inflation or deflation nozzles, useful for travel, packing bags, inflating pool toys, or deflating storage bags. Here's the pet grooming brush. If you have a dog or cat in the house, this is useful to comb and vacuum pet hair in one step. I won't be able to test this because I don't have any pet in our apartment. This is the storage bag that came with it. This one is really helpful. It keeps everything organized. This is useful to avoid misplacing small parts and accessories. Now let's put these to work inside our family car. We've got crumbs, got hair, and some embedded dirt in the carpet. I started with low power, which is 8,000 Pascal for light dust. And I used the medium power for seat crevices. And finishes with high power for carpet and floor mats. It handled embedded dirt and hair surprisingly well. The suction is strong and the smart display helps track battery life. Two things I noticed is that the bigger particles sometimes get stuck right in the opening, and that gives me an error code 02. All I need to do is remove the plastic right in the opening and it should be good again. Now let's talk about the pros. It has a powerful suction with brushless motor. Second, it is lightweight and portable. Next, it uses fast Type-C charging. And it has a washable dual HEPA filters. Lastly, it has a great build quality and lots of attachments, nozzles, accessories. Now for the cons, the battery life is kinda short on max power. And I wish it has a wall mount or docking station. Other than that, it works as expected and the portability is what's important to me. So overall, the Seedustry VC08 Pro is a compact powerhouse. It's perfect for our car detailing, quick home cleanups, and I use the blower for cleaning my keyboards. If you're looking for a versatile vacuum, rechargeable and portable, this one's worth considering. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.